No, it doesn't. Gonna put music. Yeah, it does. Like a circular shape with an extra part for or whatever. It has a. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you my once per week at home spa experience. The first thing that I do using the Foreo Luna 3 is to cleanse my face. And in order to do that, I use their cleanser, the Foreo Microfoam Cleanser. This cleanser removes any impurities collected throughout your day while nourishing the skin with naturally hydrating and skin-friendly ingredients, making it a great match for all skin types. This silky smooth facial cleanser promises a radiant complexion even after the first use. It retails for 55 francs on their website, and I actually got it as a gift from my family, but you can purchase it for about 45 francs on galaxus.ch. And the way I use this cleanser is, first I put my hair away. Just gonna use a hairband for that. And then I take the cleanser and I apply about 4 drops on the 4 sides of my face, so on the cheeks, on the forehead, and on the chin. And I use this cleanser, as I said in the beginning, together with the Foreo Luna 3. This is a 2-in-1 cleanser and face massage tool. As I mentioned, this is a 2-in-1 cleansing and firming tool. It is powered by T-sonic pulsations and perfectly tailored to your skin. By that they mean that there are 3 types of Luna 3. Maybe you've seen around, there is a pink one which is for normal skin, there is a purple one which is for sensitive skin, and the light blue one which is for oily to combination skin. And also now they released a black version which is for men, which is appropriate for face and beard as well. And the iconic Luna 3 is made of velvety soft silicone that is bacteria resistant and 35% more hygienic than nylon brushes. You can flip it over to transform it into a firming massage device that pushes active ingredients from your skincare deep into your skin, where they work best. And this device retails for about 195 francs on their website. It depends, they have sales every now and then. And I also got this as a gift, but you can purchase it on notino.ch or galaxus.ch for approximately the same price. I wetted the device a little bit. You can either use this device directly by just pressing on the start button here at the back. You see it started vibrating, and then if you hold it longer it turns off. Or you can use it together with your phone. If you go to the Foreo app, you have your devices here at the top, and then if you click on Luna 3, you have a menu with device info, videos on how to use the device, how you should take care of it, how you can find your device, kind of like Find My iPhone. The treatments, which is the second part that we are gonna do around the firming massages, settings, cleansing and massaging. And in settings, you can actually choose the intensity that you want and the duration that you want on each part of your face. So kind of like the places where I've put the cleanser for the forehead, cheeks and chin, you can choose the intensity and the duration. I'm using 15 seconds on each of the sections, and I'm using level 10 in terms of intensity, but I think it goes up to 16. You can just play around. So once you are ready to start cleansing, you can go back to the menu and press on Start Cleansing. And then you press Start, and there we go. It also makes a noise after 15 seconds so that you know that you can move on to the next section. And now we are done cleansing, and once you are done you can simply rinse out the device with warm water. And I'm gonna go do this. I'm gonna go clean the device and also clean my face, and then we can continue. So now that the face is clean, we can continue with the serum, and for that I'm using their serum, the Foreo serum. I don't have a full-size version right now, so I'm gonna use this sample. A lightweight serum that gives to your skin everything it needs for a youthful glow and radiant visage. With ultra-hydrating and antioxidant-rich ingredients like hyaluronic acid and squalane, Serum helps your skin stay resilient to everyday stress. Its microcapsules also help push the skin-nourishing formula into deeper layers of the skin where it works best. So you simply open it and you apply it like the cleanser, around 4 dots on the 4 sides of your face. So I'll apply a bit on each cheek, and then on the forehead and on the chin. There we go. And then you basically, like I said, you can use this again with Luna 3. You can directly just turn on the device, or you can use it together with the app. So I'm gonna use the app right now. As you see, you go back to the menu and you go to the very bottom to start massage. Then it connects to the device. And also here you can choose the intensity. It goes up to 16 again. I usually use 8, but again, it's something that you can try on your face and see what you like best. You don't forget that you use the opposite side, so not the side with the silicone bristles, but the side with these like wavy lines. You press start and you're ready to go. And whenever you are ready, you can just press stop. So you can massage this into your face for as long as you want. I usually do approximately 1 minute, just like with the cleanser. And then if there's anything left over, you can just gently pat it into the skin. There you go. And a couple of words before we move on to the UFO 2. I really like this cleanser, especially in combination with Luna 3. I have to say that my face never feels as clean as when I use the Luna 3, no matter what kind of cleanser I use. And I also really like their serum. Like, your skin feels a little bit tacky, but like really hydrated and glowy. So now let's move on to the masks. So I have different masks at home right now. They come in these boxes with 6 masks inside. I have the Make My Day, the Glow Addict, the Green Tea one, and the Cannabis Seed Oil one. And I don't have the box anymore, but I also have some Shimmer Freak masks. I have to say that my favorite is the Acai Berry one, but I don't have it at the moment. So today I'm going to use the Make My Day mask. This is a mask that instantly infuses moisture into the skin, giving it the perfect amount of hydration. It energizes the skin for a refreshed complexion and healthy glow, and it protects the skin from harmful free radicals with an anti-pollution barrier. The price for the masks really differs. It goes somewhere between like 12 francs and about like 30 francs. This one in particular is usually about 13 francs, but right now they have it on sale for half price. And you can also find it on other retailers like Notino.ch, Douglas.ch, usually for like 10 or maybe even lower. And before we get started, a couple of words about the Foreo UFO 2 device. It features a combo of 5 of the most popular spa treatments in one device. It leaves your skin rejuvenated and moisturized in minutes. Used with specifically designed UFO activated masks or Foreo sheet masks, to enjoy pre-programmed routines via the Foreo app. It retails for about 265 francs on their website, and I actually received it as a gift, but you can purchase it for similar prices on Swiss retailers, and also there are sales pretty often, so you should be able to find it even cheaper. I'm gonna link down below the best offer that we can find at the moment when we upload this video. While it is true that I'm going to show you in a second, for each of the masks, for each of the Foreo masks, you have a pre-programmed routine using the app. I've heard that there are people who take any other masks from the market and they basically just cut them into a shape. You will see how the shape of the UFO of the Foreo masks look like. And they cut them in that shape and use the device with any other masks as well, up to you. And I don't have a sheet mask right now, but basically the way the Foreo sheet masks work is that you apply them to your face. They literally have like the shape of your head with holes for your eyes, nose and mouth. And you can either keep them on for 20 minutes or you can use them together with the Foreo UFO 2. There's a setting in the app for each of the sheet masks and it basically activates the mask much faster in about like 2 minutes instead of 20. But like I said, today we will go for the Make My Day mask and I'm gonna show you how this works. So it comes in small sachets like this. You open it, and it has this shape, and you put it on the UFO device. Try to center it as much as you can, like that. And then you use the Foreo ring. It has Foreo written on it here, so you have to make sure that the Foreo is on top. And then you use that to secure the mask and you're ready to go. And like I said, you use this together with the app. So what you do is you turn on the Foreo UFO 2. It has a button here. So we will use this together with the app. So now we go to UFO 2. And here you have, similar to the Luna 3, like device info, videos on how to use, how to take care of the device, find your device. You have the UFO mask treatments that we are going to use right now, but then you also have sheet mask treatments, settings, and smart control. So you go to UFO mask treatments, and then it connects to your UFO. And you see there are different treatments for different mask types. I'm gonna go to Make My Day, start, and then press start again. And then you can either follow the video that they show you, or honestly, since I've been using it for a while, I don't look at it anymore. I just try to make sure that I cover all my face. And it is really nice. It has those T-sonic pulsations. It also has LED light. It starts with red for this mask, and with warm temperature for the first 30 seconds or so, and now you can hear those T-sonic pulsations. And then towards the end it switches to a green light and lower temperature for another 30 seconds. And then at the end it gives you the option to either stop the treatment or do it again. So if you feel like there's still a lot of moisture and you want to do it again, you can feel free to do so. If not, you can simply stop the treatment. And in order to remove it, you just remove the ring and then you take off the mask. And similar to the Luna 3, this device is also waterproof, so you can simply rinse this out under warm water. So we are done. As you can see, the skin looks clean and moisturized. And yeah, that's it for the moment. Let me know in the comments if you've used any of these products, which ones you like, which ones you would recommend the other people to try. But for now, leave any questions down below, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more from us. And we'll see you guys very soon with a new video. Bye!